everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales. Every year, our phones, laptops, gaming PCs, and AI systems become faster and more powerful. Behind these improvements is one tiny component: the transistor. Modern computer chips contain billions of these microscopic switches, and the more efficient they are, the better our devices perform. Today, the world's two biggest chip manufacturers, TSMC and Samsung, are fighting one of the most important technology battles in history. They are racing to build the best 3 nanometer chips. This isn't just about making smaller chips, it's about creating processors that are faster, use less battery power, generate less heat, and can handle growing demands of artificial intelligence and high performance computing. Both companies have chosen different paths to reach this goal. TSMC has improved its trusted FinFET technology. Samsung has taken a bold step by introducing a newer design called Gate-All-Around, or GAA. So which company has the better technology? Let's break it down in simple terms. Many people think a 3 nanometers chip has transistors that are exactly 3 nanometers wide. That's not actually true. Today, 3 nanometers is mainly the name of a manufacturing generation rather than an exact measurement. What really matters is how much better the new chips are compared to older ones. A newer manufacturing process usually offers more transistors on a chip, better performance, lower power consumption, and improved efficiency. So when you hear 3 nanometers, think of it as the latest generation of chip technology rather than a precise size. Imagine trying to fit more books onto the same bookshelf. The better you organize the books, the more you can store. The same idea applies to computer chips. By making transistors smaller, manufacturers can place billions more of them inside the same space. More transistors allow chips to include faster CPUs, more powerful graphics, better AI processors, larger memory caches, and improved camera processing. This means your phone can launch apps faster, games run more smoothly, and AI tools work much quicker. A transistor works like a tiny light switch. When it is on, electricity flows. When it is off, electricity should stop completely. As transistors become incredibly small, it becomes much harder to stop electricity from leaking. Think of trying to stop water with a very thin wall. Tiny holes begin to appear, allowing water to escape. The same thing happens inside modern chips. This unwanted electrical leakage causes faster battery drain, more heat, lower efficiency, and reduced performance. Stopping these leaks has become one of the biggest challenges in chip manufacturing. For many years, chip companies used a transistor design called FinFET. Instead of making a flat transistor, engineers created a tiny vertical fin of silicon. The control gate wraps around three sides of this fin. This design gives much better control over electricity. Because of FinFET, companies were able to build faster and more energy-efficient processors. Many famous chips have used FinFET, including processors from Apple, AMD, Qualcomm, MediaTek, and NVIDIA. For over a decade, FinFET became the industry standard. Although FinFET has been very successful, it becomes harder to improve as chips get smaller. At the 3 nanometers level, the silicon fins become extremely thin. Making them even thinner creates new problems. Some of these problems include more electricity leakage, harder manufacturing, lower reliability, and reduced performance. This is why engineers started looking for a completely new transistor design. Instead of improving FinFET, Samsung introduced a brand new transistor design called Gate-All-Around, or GAA. The name explains how it works. The gate surrounds the channel almost completely. This gives much better control over the flow of today's electricity. Think of holding a garden hose with one hand versus holding it firmly with both hands. The stronger grip gives you much better control. That is exactly what GAA does with electricity. Samsung believes GAA is the future of chip manufacturing. It offers several important advantages. Because the gate surrounds the channel from almost every direction, electricity is easier to control. Less leakage means the chip wastes less energy. This helps smartphones,